Hi and welcome to a new video. Are your AirPods missing and you need to find them? In this video, I'll show you every method you can use to locate your misplaced AirPods using your iPhone or Android device. Let's go. If you're using an Android phone to connect to your AirPods, please skip to the last timestamp because you can't use the Find My app to locate your AirPods on Android devices. For Apple users, all methods shown in this video are useful. First, make sure that your iPhone is running the most recent version of iOS and that Find My is enabled. Some Find My features are only available in newer iOS versions. I recommend that you have iOS 13 installed. To check your iOS version, go to Settings. Then tap on General. And finally on Software Update. Now, if an iOS update is available, download and install it. You can only use the Find My app on Apple devices such as your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. This is because when you connect your AirPods to an Apple device for the first time, they will be automatically linked to the same Apple ID. Your Apple ID is the email address and password you use to access services such as the App Store. To find your AirPods, use any device that has your Apple ID signed in and Find My enabled. Or alternatively, you can go to icloud.com/find on any browser. To check if Find My is enabled on your iPhone or iPad, tap on your name at the top of your settings and select Find My. Please keep in mind that you will be unable to locate your lost AirPods if you have not previously enabled Find My on your iPhone. I still recommend that you enable Find My because you may need it in the future if you happen to lose any of your Apple devices. Now, make sure that all of these buttons are enabled, especially the Find My Network option, so that you can find your devices even if they are not connected to the internet. How do you use Find My to locate your missing AirPods? First, open the pre-installed Find My app and tap on Devices. Here, select the name of your missing AirPods from the list. If you tap the Direction button, you will be taken to the Maps app, where you will see the last known location of your AirPods. The disadvantage of using Find My to locate AirPods is that they do not have their own cellular data and are not connected to Wi-Fi. To locate your AirPods, they must send their location to the Apple servers in some way, which is impossible without a connection. To address this issue, Apple has decided to allow your AirPods to connect via Bluetooth to your other Apple devices that are connected to the internet. This is not perfect since it would only work when your AirPods are in the Bluetooth range of your device that you're using to track them with. Because of this, you'll often see on the screen, no location found, offline, or just the last known location of your device. This is especially true of older AirPods such as the first or second generation. Newer AirPods, such as the third generation or the Pros, have an advantage. Even if your missing AirPods are not in your range, you may still be able to locate them. They can use Find My Network to send their location to the Apple servers, but this will only work if you had the Find My Network feature enabled before losing your AirPods. If your AirPods are not in their case, you will only see one of the AirPods locations at a time. To find both AirPods, locate one of the pair first and refer to the map. Once located, put it inside the charging case and close it. Then the other pair's location would show up in the map, and you can now find it too. Another feature inside the Find My app is the Play Sound button. When activated, a chime sound will be released from your AirPods. You can find your AirPods individually using the left and right buttons. After finding the first one, repeat the same process until you find the other one. Once you find your AirPods, you can click on Stop. If only the last known location is available and the Play Sound feature isn't working, it probably is because the AirPods have no battery left, or they can't connect to the internet to send or receive data. In this case, there is nothing you can do to find them. However, if you own a newer generation AirPods like the Airpods 3rd generations or the Airpods Pro, you can turn on Lost Mode. If you activate Lost Mode, your AirPods will notify you once the location of your AirPods becomes available. This can also prevent other devices with other Apple IDs from pairing with your lost AirPods. You can also provide your contact details and leave a short message, so that when someone finds your AirPods, they'll be able to reach out to you. Your message and contact details will appear on the device of whoever finds your AirPods as soon as the person attempts to pair with them. However, older versions of AirPods below the 3rd generation do not have this feature. So anyone who picks up your AirPods would be able to use it, and you might not be able to retrieve it. As I mentioned for Android users, since your AirPods are not associated with an Apple ID, you will have to use a third-party app to locate your missing AirPods. The app is called WonderFind, and it is also available for iPhone. You can download the app from the Google Play Store or the App Store. WonderFind can only work when the AirPods are charged and within the Bluetooth range of your iPhone, because the app uses the strength of the Bluetooth signal to locate your AirPods. The app will also be unable to locate your AirPods if they are in their case, because then the AirPods don't send any Bluetooth signals in order to save power. So the case must be opened, or at least one AirPod must be outside the case. Now, after installing WonderFind on your device, open the app and allow it to use your location and Bluetooth. The first thing you will see is the list of all nearby devices. Tap on the name of your AirPods. Here you will see a percentage radar which increases or decreases depending on the distance between your iPhone and your AirPods. This would also work even if you were only looking for one of the AirPods. Make sure to close the charging case of your AirPods if one of the pair is inside, so that there will be no conflicts in locating the other AirPod. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.